Container covers. Need fast, flexible storage? A SteelMaster container cover is the perfect solution, built to handle real-life demands. Made with commercial Galvalume Plus steel, our container covers are built to stand up to snow and wind, beat corrosion, and keep your gear protected in any season. Installation is straightforward. Position your containers parallel to each other, attach the steel base plates, and bolt the steel arches in place. In many cases, the containers replace a traditional foundation, saving you money and time. Widths range from 20 to 50 feet, and lengths are customizable based on your shipping container arrangement. From construction sites to freight yards, this is the affordable storage solution you've always needed. It's strong, versatile, and easy to install. Did I mention that it can be portable? So if your job moves, your shelter can too. SteelMaster container covers are the solution for every industry, keeping you covered when it matters most.